Can I tell you a secret to making serious money with digital stickers? Yes, many people are earning a lot by selling digital stickers on Etsy, and the best part is that creating them is incredibly easy with Canva. You can design a complete sticker set in just 5 to 10 minutes. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create Valentine's Day digital stickers in Canva so you can list them for the Valentine's sale and maximize your profit. So let's get started. To begin, open Canva and create a new design. For this digital sticker set, I will use a custom artboard size of 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels. This size works perfectly for creating high-quality sticker sheets. Once the Canva editor is open, the first step before creating any digital sticker set is to name your document or artboard. This is very important because it keeps your project professional, and when you download your file later, it will automatically be saved using this document name. Now I will start creating my Valentine's Day digital sticker set. To begin, go to the left side menu and select the Magic Create app. If you do not see it directly in your Canva editor, click on Apps and search for Magic Edit. Once it appears in the search results, select it to open the app. When the app opens, you will see several settings and features at the top. You will notice different tabs such as Images, Graphics, Videos, 3D. These tabs allow you to choose the type of result you want to generate. Below the prompt box, you will find a Style section. If you click on it, Canva will show multiple style options such as Filmic, High Flash, Illustration, 3D, and more. You can choose any style you prefer. However, for this tutorial, I will keep all settings untouched to get a natural result. I've already explained this tool in detail in my previous video. If you want to learn more about this feature, you can click the I button and watch that tutorial. Next, we will enter the prompt to generate our sticker design. I have already created a ready-to-use prompt to generate Valentine's Day digital stickers. I will provide this exact prompt in the video description so you can easily create the same sticker set. Once you paste or type your prompt, simply click Generate. Canva will take a few moments to generate the results. As you can see, Canva has generated 4 different sticker style results. I can choose the single best result, but for this tutorial, I will select all the results and extract the best individual stickers from each one. This allows me to create a completely original Valentine's Day sticker set. After placing all generated sticker sheets onto my Canva workspace, the next step is to remove the background from the images. I will also add a background color temporarily so the stickers stand out clearly while editing. Now I will extract the best stickers from each generated sheet. To extract a sticker, first, duplicate the sheet. Select Remove Background. Delete all stickers except the one you want. Crop the extra empty space. Position the sticker properly on the artboard. This sticker is now extracted successfully. Follow the same steps to extract a second sticker. This sticker is also extracted successfully. By repeating this process, you can extract all the best stickers from the generated results and place them neatly into your own custom sticker sheet. I will not show the extraction of every single sticker since the steps are exactly the same. Instead, I will take you directly to the next step. This is my final sticker sheet, created by extracting the best stickers from the generated designs. If you are not happy with the generated results, you can simply click Regenerate to get a new set of designs and extract the best stickers from those as well. Once your digital sticker set is ready, the next step is to increase the resolution. If you zoom in, you may notice that the stickers look pixelated, which means we need to fix the image quality. To do this, first remove the background color, then download the image in PNG format. Make sure to enable the transparent background option before downloading. Once the image is downloaded, upload it back into Canva and place it accurately on the artboard. After that, add a background color to help the image stand out. Next, go to the Apps section. Search for Image Upscale. Select the first app. Now, select your sticker image and choose the resolution level. I will select 2x upscale to get the best balance between quality and clarity. Once the image is processed, click Replace Image. Replace the old image with the newly upscaled high-resolution image and position it correctly on the artboard. As you can see, when I zoom in now, the stickers are sharp and high resolution with no pixelation. Now let's create individual sticker files. First, create a new artboard with a size of 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Paste your digital sticker sheet onto this artboard and add a background color. Next, duplicate the artboard. Crop everything except the first sticker. Enlarge the sticker to fit the canvas. Your first individual sticker is now created successfully. Repeat the same steps to create the second sticker and continue this process for all remaining stickers. Finally, to download the stickers, remove the background color. Download the artboards as PNG files. Select transparent background. And that's it. This is how you can create Valentine's Day digital stickers in just 5 to 10 minutes using Canva AI. You can now upload these stickers to Etsy and take advantage of Valentine's Day sales to generate maximum revenue using this simple and profitable method.